Ever wondered how your body's proteins team up to keep you healthy? It's like a massive, invisible collaboration. Every cell is a bustling city where proteins are the workers, and their interactions are the connections that keep everything running. But here's the thing, figuring out who talks to whom is a huge challenge. Today, we're diving into a breakthrough that's changing how scientists predict these molecular partnerships, and why it could revolutionize medicine, agriculture, and more. Let's start with the basics. Proteins are the workhorses of your cells, each with a specific job. But they don't work alone. Think of them as puzzle pieces. When the right ones fit together, they trigger everything from healing wounds to fighting infections. But predicting these interactions, it's like trying to map a city's traffic patterns by only looking at one street at a time. Most current methods only check pairs of proteins, not the whole network. And that's where things get tricky. Enter PRING, a new benchmark that's shaking up the field. Imagine you're trying to solve a massive jigsaw puzzle, but instead of just checking if two pieces fit, you need to see how they connect to the whole picture. PRING does exactly that. It evaluates AI models not just on individual interactions, but on their ability to reconstruct the entire network, like a social media graph instead of just one friendship. Here's how it works. Researchers built a massive dataset with 21,484 proteins from 4 species: human, yeast, E. coli, and Arabidopsis. They cleaned the data meticulously, removing duplicates and ensuring no cheating by overlapping training and test sets. Then they designed 2 main tests. 1. Topology tasks. Can the model recreate the network structure, like identifying clusters of proteins working together? 2. Function tasks. Does it predict biological roles, like protein complexes or pathways that drive cellular processes? The results were eye-opening. Many existing models created overly dense networks, ignoring the sparsity of real interactions. They also struggled to align with biology, mixing up essential proteins, the key workers of the cell, with non-essential ones. Even top tools like AlphaFold and protein language models had blind spots. This isn't just a technical glitch. It means we're missing critical clues about diseases and potential treatments. PRING isn't just a dataset. It's a new standard for evaluating AI in biology. By focusing on both structure and function, it pushes researchers to build tools that truly reflect the complexity of life. And the best part? It's open source, inviting scientists worldwide to innovate. So what's next? How can we bridge the gap between computation and real-world biology? Stay tuned as we explore the future of PPI prediction, and why this matters for medicine, agriculture, and beyond. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into science that shapes our world. Ever wonder how scientists figure out which proteins in your body talk to each other? It's like solving a giant puzzle where each piece is a protein, and the connections between them reveal secrets about how cells work. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking study that's redefining how we evaluate these protein interaction networks, using something called graph theory. Let's start with the basics. Proteins don't work in isolation. Ever wondered how AI is revolutionizing biology? Meet PRING, a breakthrough that's transforming how we map protein interactions. Proteins don't work alone. They form complex networks like a city's infrastructure. But traditional methods only check pairs of proteins, missing the bigger picture. PRING changes the game. It evaluates AI models on their ability to reconstruct entire networks, not just individual connections. Researchers tested it on 21,484 proteins across 4 species, using topology and function tasks to measure accuracy. The results? Many models overestimated interactions, ignoring biological reality. This matters. Accurate maps could speed up drug discovery, fight diseases, and unlock new therapies. PRING isn't just a tool, it's a new standard for AI in biology. Stay tuned as we explore how this shapes the future of science. Subscribe for more deep dives.